cooking at Quips, cooking with Quips.
Okay, what are we cooking today, Quips?
We're gonna create the biggest spaghetti of Animal Company history.
Okay, bet. So, show me the ingredients. Put them in the
This
pot.
is
Put them in the
the
pot.
alright. So this is the noodles.
Okay, W noodles.
Okay,
Okay.
and this, and this is the sauce.
Okay, bet.
And this is the
Sauce.
sauce.
That sauce looks delicious.
Yeah. Okay, and this is the meatballs.
Okay, I love meatballs. Yo,
I know.
yummy meatballs, bro.
And next we got the cheese.
Yummy cheese, bro. Yo, okay, here. Use this to mix it all up.
Oh, okay. Wait, hold on.
Bruh.
There.
Use it to
Alright,
mix it all
and
up.
we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna mix it up.